Welcome home. We are in Citrus Springs, Florida, the heart of the Nature Coast. We're on the West Coast where you have abundance of activities and attractions. And this is a fantastic home that just hit the market. I can't wait to show it to you. I'm going to walk you through, tell you about all the features, and then you'll want to rush to the phones to make an appointment and come and see this beautiful home. So right off the bat, we're standing in the foyer, and you can see it's a nice entranceway. It's got a beautiful decorative tile if you look down. And to our right is the office. Double doors, French doors for the office, a nice tray ceiling, and just the perfect space to utilize for whatever you need. I mean, this could be a very functional space for a lot of different things, not necessarily just an office. This is an open concept home. So we've got dining to the left. We've got our great room here that flows straight out to that gorgeous pool. The corner fireplace, that is a propane gas fireplace. And we'll head right out to the pool because I want you to see how beautiful this is. This is the lifestyle part of this home. This home is on just over an acre and a half, 1.56 acres. And so you go up the hill and back into the woods for tons of privacy forever and ever. And on either side, the homes are already built. You can't see them, so you know that your privacy is always going to be maintained and protected. Gorgeous pool. We have the waterfalls, so you have a nice sound, therapeutic water sound and ambiance back here. Plenty of space for relaxation, dining, whatever you'd like on your pool deck. Back into the house, we will take a look at the kitchen and the breakfast nook. So you've got this eat-in kitchen area that overlooks that pool. I envision morning coffee and evening cocktails here, just looking out into the land that we have in the back. Generously sized kitchen with lots of pull-out drawers and cabinets galore. Fully equipped, nice matching appliances, and a great pantry right here as well. Next, we'll look at the guest wing. We have a pocket door here so that you're able to give optimal privacy to your guests. Nice hallway with 2 bedrooms. Just enough space for guests to unpack and get comfortable for a short stay. 3rd bedroom here, and the corner windows, which are lovely for more space to work with. Lots of good natural light in this house. And you're probably noticing also the volume ceilings, which really do add quite a bit of space to the house. Makes it feel a lot more spacious and bigger. This house is almost 2,500 square feet. And here we have the pool bath, and this is a nice walk-in shower. And then right out to the pool again. So very well designed home that gives you a lot to work with. So of course, on the other side of the home is the primary suite, the owner's suite. And one of the things I love about this setup is that you have the door to the office right off of the primary suite. So oftentimes you have somebody who works from home, you're right there, easy access to your predominant bathroom. We've got 2 walk-in closets on this primary suite, so there's no fighting over closet space. Attic access on the one side, and then check out this bathroom. Then we've got the Corian countertops, the 2 sinks in the vanity, and a jetted tub. And this is that elegant, you walk up the steps and into your tub, and it's like this perfect little space that you have when you're soaking and just getting that rest and relaxation in. Nice linen closet here, right there in the bathroom, so that's excellent. And there is a pocket door as well on this bathroom. A lot of pocket doors in this house, which is really good for space efficiency. we'll head on over to the other side where you'll find the laundry room. Of course, the dining room we haven't really looked at yet with the tray ceiling. Really nice space. It's got the built-in nook for your china cabinet. Everything was thought of here in this house to make sure that you had the space you needed. Again, with a pocket door on the laundry, so you can close this laundry room space off. A lot of times the laundry room also functions as utility space. We've got the utility sink in here. We've got the smart wiring. We've got the alarm system control box. So everything is right here in the laundry room for ease of accessibility. And if you're not familiar with the smart wiring, what that means is anytime you go ahead and wire up your house for smart home features, all of your wires for any room, any area of the house are centrally located in this box. So it's very easy to make those adjustments when you want to do some upgrades to your smart home features. So this is the 3-car garage, and who doesn't want a 3-car garage? You always need more space. You can see you have room for your outdoor equipment, lots of toys, whatever you are desiring to have, the extra freezer, the extra refrigerator. We've got the side garage door. The sprinkler system controls are here in the garage. This is great space to work with. So the last thing I want to do is take you on out back again, because I do want you to see that we also have a nice fenced-in area. So if you have dogs and you need them to have a run as well, it's already set up for you. This property really brings everything to the table. So if you're looking to make a move, whether you're local or moving new to the area, this is a fantastic option and a great find. So if you'd like more information on this property, please give my team a call. We are RES Luxury Group, part of eXp Realty, and you can reach us at 352-794-1426. And our motto at RES Luxury Group is, we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is always our guarantee. So give us a call today. We'd love to show you this property. Have a good day.